Tanya Cross. I am the accessory designer of Accent Glory and workshop facilitator of Divine Events. I merge my two passions to share with fellow creators ways to get seen online. For today's tutorial, I will be discussing building your tribe, how to create loyal customers. Okay, everyone, let's dive in. The first thing we're going to discuss is relationship. Having an online business, I have had to learn how to establish virtual relationships with my customers. With a product-based e-commerce business, I rarely get the opportunity to meet my customers face-to-face unless I do in-person vending events. E-commerce eliminates visual cues like eye contact, body language, and facial expressions. So you have to effectively communicate through text and visuals, which includes photos, graphics, and videos. Your message needs to be compelling, demand attention, and concise, clear with few words. You need to attract people's attention, get them to stop scrolling, and engage. The next thing is avoid being salesy. When I initially connect with a potential customer online, I don't instantly go into sales mode. I take the time to get to know them and their needs. I do a soft introduction and share who I am, what I do, and who I serve. I ask about them and try to identify something to connect us. That connection allows me to continue the conversation. The next thing is provide value. When building relationship, you simultaneously build trust. A way to build trust is by providing valuable content. Over the years, I've committed to establish myself as an expert in my niche. When someone has a question, I'm willing to answer and I'll refer them to content that I've created. I've done numerous collaborations via guest blog posts, podcasts, event speaker, and other ways, which is also content. All to expand my reach and expose more people to the value that I bring. Okay, the next thing we're going to discuss is engagement. My primary customer base is chatty. I send out follow-up emails, post purchases, and have a 42% open and response rate, which is pretty good. I take advantage of this opportunity and engage with my customers beyond the sale. The customer has already purchased, they like my design, and the majority of them leave a review. It's a win-win. The customer is happy and feel appreciated, and my shop clout increased. I also enjoy engaging with my fans, followers, and customers on social media. Thank God for social media notifications. I'm notified when someone engages with my social media platforms. I respond to and like their comments on my posts. If they share one of my posts, I also thank them for sharing it. Now, I miss some every now and then, but for the most part, my fans and followers and customers are acknowledged and are shown appreciation. I seldom do in-person events, but when I do, I enjoy meeting my customers in person. Often times they introduce themselves and tell me they're an online customer. When I'm vending somewhere or attending an event, I let my fans and followers know and extend an opportunity to connect. The last thing we're going to discuss is experience. A customer reached out to me for a custom order on Amazon. She loved my designs, but just didn't quite see what she was looking for. Over a couple of days, we exchanged quite a few emails with each other. I took the time to understand her need to ensure her expectations were met. Long story short, her 5-star review is one of my favorites. She speaks of the quality of my character, service, and craftsmanship. Now I have another loyal customer. Loyal customers also love giving referrals. As your brand, business, or organization grows, your customer base demographic may also shift. Become familiar and stay up to date with the buying psychology of your target audience. Know their buying triggers. For example, I've noticed that my customers make their purchases on the weekend. So what I started doing is sharing posts and pushing posts of my designs on Wednesday and Thursday so it's fresh on their mind. Also, find out ways that your customers prefer to engage. For example, online, in person, in the morning, or in the evening. My customers also continue to not be moved by sales. They simply buy what they want when they want it. They don't wait for items to go on sale. My designs are also priced to eliminate the bargain of budget shopper. Knowing your audience allows you to craft an amazing customer experience. Express appreciation. Thank your customers for reviews and referrals. Word of mouth still remains to be the best way to expand your reach. I also do random thank you posts on my social media platforms for my fans, followers, and customers just because. Thank yous can go a long way.